Almonds.
Almonds are a type of tree nut that grow on the almond tree, Prunus dulcis. They are a popular snack food, and are also used in many recipes for baking and cooking. Almonds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E and magnesium.
History.
The almond is believed to have originated in the Middle East and has been cultivated for thousands of years. It was a staple food in ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and the Greeks, and was also mentioned in the Bible. Almonds were brought to California in the mid-19th century, and the state is now the largest producer of almonds in the world. Today, almonds are widely consumed and are used in a variety of products, from almond milk and almond oil to almond butter and almond flour.
Types.
There are two main types of almonds: sweet almonds and bitter almonds. Sweet almonds are the type most commonly consumed and are used in cooking, baking, and as a snack. They are oval in shape and have a smooth, tan outer layer and a white inner flesh. Bitter almonds have a more intense flavor and are used in small amounts to flavor desserts, liqueurs, and other dishes. They contain a naturally occurring toxin that can be harmful if consumed in large quantities, so they are not commonly sold for eating and must be processed to remove the toxin. There are also different varieties of sweet almonds, including nonpareil, caramel, butte, and padre. These varieties differ in size, shape, and color, but are all edible and can be used in similar ways.
Cultivation.
Almond trees are grown for their edible nuts and are typically cultivated in Mediterranean-type climates with mild winters and hot summers. They require well-drained soil and need to be irrigated regularly, especially during the summer months. Almond trees are propagated by grafting and are typically trained to grow as a central leader with a single trunk and well-spaced branches. The almond growing process starts with the blooming of the tree in early spring. The flowers are self-pollinating or are pollinated by bees, and the resulting fruit begins to develop. The fruit, called a drupe, contains the almond nut, which is surrounded by a hard shell and a hull. In late summer, the hulls split open and the nuts are harvested by shaking the trees and gathering the nuts from the ground. The nuts are then dried, hulled, and sorted before they are packaged and sold. Almond trees typically begin producing nuts after 3 to 5 years and can continue to produce for 20 to 30 years or more. Almond production is a major industry, with California being the largest producer of almonds in the world, followed by Spain, Iran, and Italy.
Production.
Almond production is a major industry, with California being the largest producer of almonds in the world, followed by Spain, Iran, and Italy. In recent years, global almond production has been increasing, driven by growing demand for the nut as a snack and ingredient in a variety of food products. Almond production involves several steps, including 1. Pollination. Almond trees are either self-pollinating or are pollinated by bees. 2. Fruit development. After pollination, the fruit, called a drupe, begins to develop and contains the almond nut surrounded by a hard shell and a hull. 3. Harvesting. In late summer, the hulls split open and the nuts are harvested by shaking the trees and gathering the nuts from the ground. 4. Drying. The harvested nuts are then dried to remove moisture. 5. Hulling. The dried nuts are then hulled to remove the outer layer. 6. Sorting. The hulled nuts are then sorted by size, shape, and color. 7. Packaging. Finally, the sorted nuts are packaged and sold for consumption or further processing into products such as almond milk, oil, or flour. Almond production is labor-intensive and requires a significant amount of water and pesticides. As a result, there have been efforts to increase efficiency and sustainability in almond production, including the use of drought-resistant varieties and the implementation of integrated pest management practices.